Hey tubers, Gauss Fall 86 here at the river with the Coast Guard ship Neah Bay from the United States Coast Guard. So we're going to follow the Neah Bay as she goes up the river. This is my first United States Coast Guard ship, so this is new. Oh, they're talking. Oh. Sorry about that. Sorry, tubers, I'm trying to hold my phone and take pictures the United States Coast Guard ship. Sorry about that. Now I can hold the camera steady as we follow the Neah Bay. She goes up the river. These ships is what help keep the United States and Canadian waters safe. It's ships like this. And the Neah Bay is really moving. I can barely keep up with her. Well, tubers, thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the Coast Guard ship Neah Bay from the United States Coast Guard. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what I'll come up with next? Could be Coast Guard, could be freighter, could be anything. Okay, bye. Once again.